Hello everyone, did you know that Oracle Apex gives you a nice way to auto-dismiss success messages? Let's see. Go into your shared component, application definition, and user interface. Here, there is a new attribute called auto-dismiss success messages. If you enable that, this success message will automatically disappear. Nice, but keep in mind that as stated in the help text of the attribute, enable the auto dismiss could lead to some accessibility issues. To avoid that, you can provide a new way for the user to opt in or not for that behavior using the set dismiss preferences. That function in the apex message namespace lets you enable or disable that behavior or even change the duration. And I can, for example, provide the dismiss page success to true and duration to 1000 milliseconds. And if I do that, the message is now going to be on the screen for 1 second only. Okay, cool. You can even opt for disabling the dismiss page success. Now the message will not be dismissed. I hope you enjoyed that tip.